Hello YouTube, and today I'm gonna present for you the bot for view on YouTube in mobile. Please follow me, don't miss a second for this video for you to success. Okay, so to the work. You enter to Google Play and you download VPN. I personally use in Proton VPN for free. Okay, we enter to the VPN app and choose a country. I recommend for you to choose in US, okay, but any other country it's fine, okay. After you start the VPN, we enter again to Google Play and we write multi-view browser. Multi-view browser. Download please the same app that I download, okay. Copy this. In the end, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to double your view, okay, with this app, okay. Don't skip and follow me. After you enter the app, search for your video. I use my channel to get my video, okay. I pick my video, you see, and I'm going to enter this to the video, and you see in right you have settings. Please enter to how to reload interval. So after you enter this, you need to pick the time you want the browser refreshing, okay. I recommend for you to half minutes, 30 seconds. It's enough for a one view on YouTube. Now I'm gonna show you how it's work. It's really work. You need to see for yourself how it's work on my video. I'm going to show you in YouTube Studio how my views rank. And you will see this. And you will see this in YouTube after a couple minutes. Stay with me and you see for yourself the views grow. Okay, and now for the finale, I'm going to show you how to double your view with this app. You enter to the settings right, in the right, you pick the 6 tabs. It's going to give you 6 screen for view. Please search for every tab your video, and if you like this video and you want more hack on YouTube and more view, more subscribe, so a few hours, so please subscribe, like and share with your friends. Thank you. After you put your video in 6 tabs, you let the app to begin to work, and after 30 seconds it's gonna reload and give you real view.